Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a hair review on My First Wig. They sent over their 10-inch Yaki hair. The cool thing about this wig, this is a 10 by 6 glueless 130 density wig, and it also has a drawstring in it. So 10 by 6, I don't think I ever tried a 10 by 6. So I just flat ironed it on a mannequin hair. We're gonna put it on our head and see what it's giving. Now this is supposed to be like a middle part situation. Now that it's on my head, that looks good. I'm gonna just take the combs on the side and pull them down a little bit. I never tried a 10 by 6. So this is how it looks right now. Everything look good. Make sure my ears are out. I want your ears to be underneath the cap. It's like a space for the ears to go. This is new for me. Okay, now I'm gonna take the drawstring, which is so cool. And all you do is pull the drawstring. Oh, now that makes it really sturdy to the head. As you guys can see, it's really sturdy now. Okay guys, so we have the unit on and it looks good, but it don't look natural enough for me. It is glueless from the front side, or up in here this is glueless, and I feel like it looks very natural. I'm gonna pull the drawstring a little tighter, but I'm not gonna do that now. But I want this to be a little bit more flatter at the top, so I'm gonna like hot comb it so the top can be super flat and the part can be super long. You don't want your part to not be long right here. This is cute little throw on for sure. I like the density of it too. It's very classy, but I have to get it right. So what I do is just hot comb it right here, because you do not want this to look bulky, y'all. I'm telling you, that's when your wig start looking like a wig. So you want to make sure you hot comb it. I'm going to use my favorite spray up in this area. I'm gonna just pull it down. I know I usually wear my hair off my face, but I feel like with the closure units, when you want to leave it like a closure, I think you should do a middle part. I just feel like it looks better. My camera is going dead. So what I'm gonna do is just hot comb both sides like this, guys. Just push it down. As you guys can see how one side is up and one side is down. That's what you want. Sorry if my nose is running. I'm hot. So I'm gonna just spend 5 minutes hot combing this to make sure it's really flat. But I'm not gonna cap, y'all. The hairline look beautiful. The unit is on. I've been hot combing the top. I'm gonna show you guys how this unit flat iron. I absolutely love the texture of this hair. The Yaki texture is the best for me. And this is a 10-inch. And I love the length. I do prefer my bob to be a little shorter, but I would prefer that you get a 10-inch and then cut it to the length that you want, because if you go any shorter, you just don't know if it's gonna lay how you want it to lay. So I remember going to the hairstylist, my friend Kira always get a 10-inch, and if you want it shorter, I'll just cut it shorter. So this is a 10-inch. I love the way it lays. I feel like my hair is super flat. Now what I do in the front, guys, let me show y'all what I do to make it look a little bit more natural. This is glueless, so I'm not gonna glue it. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this got to be wax spray. I like to use that in the front of my edges like this to help lay the front down. I like it to look like I got a fresh relaxer. So, but one thing about My First Wig, y'all, their laces, I love the laces. You don't have to worry about feeling uncomfortable with My First Wig. Nobody's gonna stare at your lace, because it's just gonna look, you see how that just makes it look more natural than this side. So I highly recommend just pushing some of the hair back a little bit. Mind you, y'all, this is not glued in. This is not glued down at all. But this looks so nice. Oh, so nice. And you want to make sure that you're pushing the hair straight back. So don't do it like to the side. You want to make sure you push it straight back. That's what makes it look more natural. I'm going to spray a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. I know how I feel about this stuff. Boom, my upper lip is wet. And then all I do is just take the hot comb and let that wax and that spray kind of cook a little bit. I'm not gonna be worried about this side, although the lace go all the way down, guys. So I feel like with the 10 by 6, you know how sometimes we do our hair and we have to cut the ear tabs off? You don't have to cut the ear tabs off because it pretty much is a full lace, if you ask me. It's definitely gonna save you a step. So once it's like this, then I take it and I pull it over. I still push it to the front, but now it makes it look more polished. So if you leave your wig like this is cool, but I'm telling y'all, that small little step is gonna make it look more like professional. Everything looks so good. So good. See if there's a hair there. Look at that. That is so pretty, y'all. And it looks so neat. And then all I do is just take a little bit of my, so you can see that it's not like completely on my forehead. So a 5 by 5 closure, you're not able to like push the hair back off your face. And that's why I bigger closure, because I like my hair off the face. So I'm going to just take a little of my bronzer. This is 1 or 2 shades darker than me. I always use that because my forehead is normally bronzed up. Look how natural that look. Tell me what a lace at. You tell me. So nice. So make sure you guys check out my first wig if you want this unit. It looks so classy. I'm going to do a spin so you guys can see the side. It's really nice. Okay guys, so that is it. The hair is on. It's looking amazing. I look nice and polished. Let me take this jacket off because it's kind of throwing me. But yeah, my hair looks nice and polished. Love the way it looks. Make sure you guys check out my first wig. And I'll talk to you guys in my next hair review. Bye guys.